Hi, my name is Sati Tarun and today I will be showing my project. My project is the creation of the popular 4 in a row game using C language. A typical 4 in a row game board consists of 6 rows and 7 columns which are all initially empty. The 4 in a row game is a two-player game in which the players take alternate turns to place their coins along any column they want to on the board. The row in which the coin of a player is placed is the first empty slot from the bottom of the column the player wants to place his or her coin in. The objective of this game is simple. A player must try to get 4 of his or her coins in a row in any possible way that is present on the board, that is either along the row or column or across any diagonal. The game can end in two possible scenarios. The first scenario being that a player has been declared as the winner by getting 4 of his or her coins in a row in any possible way on the board. The second scenario being that all the slots on the board are filled and a winner has not yet been declared. Then the game is declared as a draw. This is the implementation of the 4 in a row game using C language. The code consists of 7 stacks which signify the 7 columns and they are of size 6 which signify the 6 rows that are present on the board. The function void diagonal helps in checking that if a player has won in any possible way by getting 4 of his or her coins in a row along any diagonal present on the board. The function check in a row helps in seeing if a player has won by getting 4 of his or her coins along any row present on the board. The function check column helps in checking if a player has won by getting 4 of his or her coins in a row across any column present on the board. The function board display helps in displaying the board, that is by displaying the 7 stacks beside each other. The function board display also calls the functions diagonal, check row and check column to see if a player has won the game by getting 4 of his or her coins in any possible way, in a row in any possible way on the board. The functions push stack help in pushing the coins in any particular column the player wants to, that is from the bottom. The function initial display helps in displaying the initial display of the board, that is the 7 stacks beside each other and all the elements of the stacks are declared as 0. That signifies the slot is empty. In the main function, first the names of the players are taken. Then the initial display of the board is shown, that is the empty board. Then every player is asked alternatively where the player wants to make his or her move. Depending on the column chosen by the player, the particular push stack function is called and the coin is slotted in the board. If the player has chosen an invalid row or a column in which all the slots have been filled, then the player will get another turn to choose a column where a move can actually be made. After player 1, it will be player 2's turn. And then after each turn of a player, the player will be asked if they want to continue the game or not. And depending on the response, the game will continue or it may end. Now, this is the running of the 4 in a row game. For example, I will take the names of the players as A and B. This is the initial display of the board. Now, this will be a simple game. I'll try to make player A win the game along the first column. As you can see, I choose column 1. In the display, you will see that the bottom slot of the first column is filled. Continue the game, yes. Player 2 makes his move in column 2. Continue, yes. Player 1 makes his move in column 1. Continue, yes. Similarly, and now if I choose column 1, player 1 will be declared as the winner. As you can see, it has been written, player 1 has been declared as the winner. The game has actually ended. And this is the execution of my project, that is the 4 in a row game using C language. Thank you.